I'm going to be talking about the Dremel200. So I'm replacing two things. I'm replacing the switch assembly and the field assembly. Actually, the only component that is left in this is one piece, the whole thing, the motor assembly. So you have three pieces: the switch and field assembly and a motor assembly. So I suspected that there is a problem with this because all I did was test the continuity between this pin and this pin and this pin and this pin, and I noticed that one of them is not continuous, so there's something wrong with it. And you test the continuity between this and this and this and that, and I noticed that there's continuity on the white one but not the ground. So what you do, there are 4 screws, and they are Torx T15, I believe. 4 of them, 4 of these. One goes here, one goes here, one goes here, one goes here. Right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. I also replaced the brushes. And the brushes go inside the switch assembly. Clean up the commutator and just generally inspect it. There's not much you can do. If there is a damage on the inside, then you have to replace this whole unit, unless you are a professional. I'm not sure. Some people take it apart and try to repair it. It's messy. Now after you have plugged them in like that, you just channel this through it all the way to the back, like so. And this piece, this rubber piece, goes around this bearing at the very end, like so. Then you take these brushes and you insert them in their respective places, like so, and you just push it in. You insert the pin through this hole, like so, and then you get this half a washer or something like that layered on the inside of this. Now your motor assembly, at the very end you will see holes. You can see them here. They are going to go into that pin that has that curved washer. Those 2 wires have to be channeled inside here. They cannot interfere with the holes for the screws. So you have to channel them in there. If you don't channel them in there and tuck them really good, this thing won't close on that one. And eventually it will lock in place. So it's working now.